Imagine drifting through space and suddenly getting pulled into a black hole. No spaceship, no escape, just the most powerful gravitational force in the universe dragging you in. What would you see? Would you feel anything? And could you survive? Let's find out what science says happens when you fall into a black hole. Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They form when massive stars collapse in on themselves after exhausting their fuel. At the center of a black hole is the singularity, a point of infinite density. Surrounding that is the event horizon, the invisible boundary where escape becomes impossible. As you get closer to a black hole, things start getting weird, really weird. Gravity increases exponentially. Space begins to warp. Time slows down. To an outside observer, it would look like you're moving in slow motion as you near the event horizon. But for you, it feels normal, until things take a dark turn. Once you pass the event horizon, there's no going back. No signal, no light, no hope of return. You're now inside a region of space from which nothing can escape. Surprisingly, you might not feel anything dramatic as you cross it. Some scientists say you wouldn't even notice the exact moment you pass through. As you fall deeper, the black hole's gravity pulls more strongly on your feet than your head, assuming you're falling feet first. This creates an effect called spaghettification. Your body would stretch and compress until it becomes a long, thin strand of matter, literally spaghetti. If it's a small black hole, this happens before you reach the event horizon. If it's a supermassive black hole, it could happen after. Either way, it's not pretty. Short answer, no. At least not in any way we understand. But you know, some scientists theorize that what happens next isn't death in the traditional sense, it's transformation. Your particles may get added to the black hole's mass, or even get encoded onto its event horizon, possibly forever. No one knows exactly what lies beyond the event horizon. Some theories suggest black holes lead to other universes. Others say you simply become part of the singularity, a place where the laws of physics break down completely. This is where science meets speculation. Could black holes be wormholes, portals, recycling machines for matter? We don't know. And honestly, we might never know. So, what if you fell into a black hole? You'd experience the strangest physics in the universe. You'd be stretched into spaghetti. And you'd vanish from our reality as we know it. Black holes are terrifying, but they're also one of the most fascinating mysteries in all of science. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, comment and subscribe to BrainSpark for more incredible what-if science every week.